So now let's see how we can work around with extra objects plugin inside of Blender. So to enable the extra objects plugin, I'm going to go around into edit and I'm going to go to preferences right here. Once I go to preferences, I'm just going to uncheck the add-ons, enabled add-ons only. And over here, you can see that the extra objects is an option. So once you enable this, what happens is that you get extra ranges of curves that you can bring in the viewport and then work around with. So I'm going to press Shift A on my keyboard, and over here you can see curve is an option, and there are a lot of curves that you can work with. So let's say, for example, you want to work with angle. You can bring in angle right here, as you can see. So you have this angle right here, and you can change the angle right here just like this. So you can see that this is the type of curve that you can bring in along with other types of curves now. I'm going to go around right here, and there's different types like this, arcs right here as well, and so forth. And for all of the curves, you even get this option right here. So you can increase and decrease the segment right here. You can increase and decrease the radius, as you can see, and then change up the start and end angle over here as well, just like this. So this is how it would actually look. You can also go around for 3D right here, so that you can work around with this. You can change this around. You can change around the location. You can change around the rotation right here, and a lot of things. You can also go around and then change like from segments right here, just like this. You can change from sectors right here and change out from the available options from over here as well. Let me just delete this. I'm going to press Shift A. In curve, you can see that there's different things. There's like trapezoid right here. And similarly, you can see that there's sides that you can control over here as well. So similarly, you can go around, move this aside and so forth. So this is what you have. I'm going to press Shift A, and over here, you can see that there's different things like there's curve profiles as well. So there's something like arrow right here, as you can see. So there's arrows that you can work around with as well. You can go around with the height right here, just like this as well. You can change this into a 3D as well. So you can change from 2D to 3D, as you can see. So you can go around with height, you can go around with width right here. You can change the type as well, just like this. So this is what you have. So I'm going to go around right here. There's different sort of options. There's curly curves right here, just like this. So you can see that immediately you have a lot of options for curves once you enable out that plugin right here, just like this. You can also go around and then select out objects right here. So I'm going to select the sphere right here. I'm going to press Shift A, and in curve you can see that there's different options over here as well. So I'm just going to go around, Shift A right here. I'm going to go to curve. Let me just select this, Shift A, curve, and over here you can see knots right here. So you can go around into different type of knots right here, click on it, and then what happens is that will get applied. Over here that didn't get supported. So let me just go around onto other type of knot right here, and you can see that it's a spiral knot that got created according to the shape that I have right here. Similarly, I can go around over here and bring in other curves right here. So I'm just going to go around and then press Shift A right here. I'm going to go to curve, into knots. You can see that there's bounce as well. So you got this type of knot right here. You can increase the amount of bounce as well, increase the angular noises. You can change the offset, as you can see, and you can work around with extra, random seed, and so forth, as you can see. So you can go around and then bring in these kind of objects as well. So this depends on what type of object you bring in. So I'm just going to go around into mesh. Let me go around into the store shape right here. So now what you can also do is you can expand this and then create. You got the spline generator, so you can go for spiral fit right here. So you got like spiral fit right here. You can go to bounce spline over here as well, and you get the same setting over here as well, as you can see. So you can experiment around with different settings that you have right here, and you can see that it really helps to create interesting effects right here. So you can go around with this just like this, and there you go. So that is how you can work around with extra objects plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.